this video is to help any first-time users of CPM how to navigate through that CPM ebook. So once you have logged in and you went through and you have your ebook the way I showed you how to do that, it will bring you to your ebook. We'll want to log in, and no matter what, if you're in CC1 or CC2, it doesn't matter. It's all organized the exact same way. So this is actually a CC1 course. So this is for that Part 1 group. You'll notice on the left-hand side, it's organized by chapters. They're each chapter left-hand side. So those are your tabs that you'll want to use to go to the lessons. So for example, I'm going to go look at, what do I need to do for Chapter 1? Well, the first thing I need to do, according to my teacher, was I asked you to do the closure first. So you'll go right immediately to the closure, like I showed you in the other video, and you're going to do the closure as the pretest. You're going to correct it, and then you're going to upload that pretest into Schoology. Now hopefully that has provided you with some awesome feedback. You'll know exactly what you need to focus on in this chapter. The next thing, once I've gone through and I've done my closure, I'm going to go back to my pacing guide, and it tells me, let's see, so summer Part 1, oops. Let's see here. No, I lost it. So if you have your summer, here's your summer course pacing guide right here. Okay, so I'm Chapter 1. See, I have to complete this by June 28th. I've already done the closure as my pretest, and now I go look. Okay, it looks to me like I really only need to do lessons 112, 123, 124, 121, and 122. These are the lessons that need to be completed. What do I need to understand? Well, by the end, I want to be able to understand area and perimeter using toothpicks and tiles. I need to understand growing patterns, and then how to compare simple numerical expressions. All of these things will be on the assessment and the things that you need to know and understand by the end of this chapter. So now I'll go, well, it looks like I'm going to start at, I don't have to do 111, so I'm going to start here. It says at 112, so I'll go back to my ebook, and notice how that's how they're organized. I'm going to click on this lesson 112 as it told me in my pacing guide. So I'll go to 112, and this is where I start. Now the toothpicks and tiles, I'll go through this lesson, and I will make sure that I understand. So that's all that you really need to know about how to navigate through your lesson. Again, one more time, just a quick review. You have an opening that just shows you exactly what everything is going to be about in Chapter 1. Okay, I have all the chapters on the left-hand side. I click on that chapter, and it starts with an opening. It has all the lessons, and then it has a closure. Make sure that you're following the lessons in your pacing guide. As I just stated, check your pacing guide to help you understand which lessons that you need to complete here in that pacing guide. And then once you feel like you're done, again, your last job is to take that final assessment in your pre-post test folder on Schoology. There you go. You take that pull up that PDF of that assessment, and you post that.